A very good morning to all of you. It's an honor itself to honor this beautiful audience. Today is our day of celebration and joy as we all are gathered here for our annual day. I, Aditi Joshi, welcome you all on behalf of the management, staff, and students of Young Scholars Preschool. Before we start our program, there are few guidelines for parents which I request them to follow and cooperate us for the smooth and an uninterrupted event. Keep your mobile on silent mode. Do not wave hand towards your child during the performance. The child may get distracted. Students will be handed over to you at the end of the show. Announcement will be done accordingly. Prize distribution is at the end of the program. Parents are requested not to leave before that. Last but not the least, we need your support and cooperation to make today's event successful and create beautiful memories for all of us. Thank you. Now we will have our traditional and auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. I request our principal ma'am, Mrs. Sonika Vyas, to come and light the lamp and enlighten the audience with the precious word as we begin with the event.
Good morning, everyone. My warm welcome to all of you on our 9th annual day concert of Young Scholars. It feels just like yesterday that the idea of preschool entered my mind. A preschool that enables children to take their first step towards knowledge in a way most natural to them. Since from the inception, our first focus in the playgroup program is to introduce the child to a structured routine. We strive to make the transition from home to school as natural as possible. In our nursery program, a sizable focus shifts to activities such as reading, writing, problem recognition and solving. For this, we are using our designed monthly themes which lead to concrete and permanent learning. If we talk about our kindergarten, this is the final step for our young scholars before they enter the formal schooling. Our curriculum and teaching style is focused on the areas of language, math, science, general knowledge and arts. By the time they graduate and enter elementary school, our students have a rock-solid foundation and as a natural sense of curiosity. Thus, it gives a holistic and natural learning. These are the main reasons, along with my great team, amazing students and supporting parents, that the last 9 years have been so fulfilling, yet flew by so fast. We have come a long way since we started in so many ways. However, at Young Scholars, moving forward is the only path we follow. I would also like to briefly talk about the theme of today's event, that is Bollywood. Movies provide a source of entertainment and escapism for millions of Indians. It offers a break from the routine and allows people to immerse themselves in stories, music, and dance. Cinemas serve as a mirror to society, reflecting its joys, struggles, and complexities. Through films, we witness stories that resonate with our experiences. Movies itself are the feeling of celebration. So let's begin the celebration of Bollywood with our real stars. Thank you so much.
Words. We can only imagine how difficult the job of a school principal is, but you handle it with grace and enthusiasm. Your hard work and passion is a motivation for all of us. A big round of applause for our dear principal ma'am. Today is the day to celebrate our young, creative and talented students and to reward them for the same. The most treasured moments of this day are the sincere arrangements, fun-filled rehearsals with patience, the fantastic final rehearsal, and many admirable memories. So parents, come now and enjoy with us these moments of fun and laughter together with children and their teachers. Mumbai, a city of dreams that never sleeps. People from every part of the country move to the city every day in search of a better life. Hence the name City of Dreams. In spite of its many slums and alarming extremes in wealth distribution, it is seen as a city which will reward anyone who is willing to work hard. Mumbai teaches us patience and adjustment. It teaches us to fight back to chase our dream. The shiny, shimmery, and the glamorous city accommodates everyone who is willing to work hard and live life king size. वो कहते हैं ना, कभी कभी जीतने के लिए कुछ हारना भी पड़ता है और हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? This year, the annual theme is the sparkling and shining Bollywood. Now, I would like to call upon stage our superstars to welcome you all. Shashank Sahu from Senior KG, Nidhi Nikam from Junior KG, Sanaya Rodriguez from Nursery, and Swaranj Devri from Playgroup.
Good morning, parents.
Good morning, Father.
Welcome to our annual day.
Another
Purna, neat. Welcome to our annual day. Welcome
day.
to our
Another
annual day. ಮುಟ್ಟೆನಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ದಪ್ಪರಿ. Good morning.
good morning.
बोले.
Good morning, parents. My name is Sanaya. Today, annual day.
Today is our annual day. Today is our.
Today is annual day. Good morning, parents. My name is Nidhi. Welcome to annual day. Good morning, parents. My name is Shashank Sahu. I am from senior KG class. Welcome to annual day concert. Our theme is Bollywood. So let's enjoy the program. Thank you.
Very good. Check.
Thank you, children. That was the most adorable welcome. I can feel that the heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of the music, song, dance, lights, and action. So, without taking much time of your, permit us to start the program. Indian film industry is one of the largest entertainment industry in the world. Mumbai has played a pivotal role in the development of cinematography. The first feature film was the silent movie Raja Harishchandra, produced and directed by Dada Saheb Phalke in 1913 in India. He is also known as the father of Indian cinema. Since then, Mumbai has remained the main center of Indian film industry. The film city has been named as the Dada Saheb Phalke Chitranagari for the memory of the father of Indian cinema. Two friends from a small town visit Mumbai for the first time. They plan to take a tour of famous film city as they both are fond of Indian film industry. Our guide starts their journey to this mesmerizing world. Now, I call upon Nisha, Rahul and guide.
Hello, welcome to the film city of Bollywood.
Hi, I am Nisha. We are from a small town and very fond of Bollywood.
I am Rahul. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. We have been eagerly waiting for this moment to explore the film city. And what's your name? जी मैं हूँ राजू, आपका guide, and I will show you all the eras of the Bollywood.
In the beginning, it was all black and white. Black and white creates a strange dreamscape that color never can. Simplicity at its best with ultimate sophistication. Shades of grey make a colorful life. Black and white era is also known as the golden age of Hindi cinema. Magnificent storylines, expert choreographed fight scenes, spectacular songs and dance routine with emotion-charged melodrama and larger-than-life heroes and heroines was the speciality of that time. Some of the most critically acclaimed Hindi films of all times were produced during this time. Not to forget, to take the name of the legend Prithvi Raj Kapoor, the founder of Prithvi Theatres, which staged memorable productions across India. The plays were highly influential and inspired young people to participate in the Indian independence movement. In over 16 years of existence, the Indian film and the stage actor who founded both the renowned Kapoor family of actors who gave and are still continuing to give marvelous performances in this industry. The tragedy king Guru Dutt, who was an actor, director, producer, choreographer, and writer, also started his career in this era, giving some of the finest movies to Indian cinema. Black and white was an era of Indian cinema that acquainted the audience with immense talents and eternal beauties like Meena Kumari, Shashikala, Mala Sinha, Madhubala, Helen, Geeta Bali, Wahida Rahman, Nirupa Roy, and so on. Actors like Bharat Bhushan, Dilip Kumar, Devanand, Ashok Kumar, Balraj Sahani entered the film industry. Music directors like S.D. Burman Saab, Shankar Jaikishan, Naushad, O.P. Nayyar, Madan Mohan, Hemant Kumar were at the peak and continued for a long time. Now, our tour guide has entered the black and white era, and the friends have already gone in the flashback.
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल.
Let's start with the oldest era, the black and white era.
I really love old songs and movies and feel connected to them.
At that time, male actors played female characters like in the Raja Harishchandra movie. Okay, then let's go and watch.
Yes, black and white era had the most melodious songs. The melody of this song, Pyar Hua Ikrar Hua, is still in our hearts. This mood was nostalgic and gave mesmerizing feeling of the past. Now, I would like to call upon stage Abhidnya Nanavare, Akshita Pathak, Sanaya Rodriguez, Ojas Lahim, Adya Dalvi, and Shriyan Ramane to perform on this golden age of Indian film industry.
के पहला पहला प्यार भर के आंखों में खुमार जादू नगरी से आया है कोई जादूगर
लेके पहला पहला प्यार भर के आंखों में खुमार जादू नगरी से आया है कोई जादूगर
लेके पहला पहला प्यार
Fantastic! Superb, children! I'm sure all the senior citizens must be remembering their childhood and watching their grandchildren and performing those dance is a candy for eye. The real self of an artist lies in the art. When an artist performs, all the pain, trauma, and tension gets released through art, be it dancing, acting, painting, singing, and so on. 50s was the golden era of Indian cinema. Lyricists wrote deep, meaningful lines. Singers sang from their heart, and actors performed to make the character live on the screen. This was the period when Rafi Saab, Kishore Kumar, Lata Didi started their career. At this time, Talat Mahmood, Hemant Kumar, Geeta Dutt were already amongst the best, and Shamshad Begum was a legend. The entry of Prithviraj Kapoor's son, Raj Kapoor and Shammi Kapoor in the film industry was a milestone. Raj Kapoor was also known as the Charlie Chaplin of Indian cinema because of its great acting. Dilip Kumar, also known as Yusuf Khan, was the first Khan who ruled the era with his low-key, naturalistic acting. How can we forget Devdas and the beauties Paru and Chandramukhi, a complex self-destruction love story. The versatile Kishore Kumar gained popularity for his natural and innocent acting and effortless singing. He had no classical training but could surpass many singers because of his wonderful music instinct and natural singing flair. Bollywood music experienced a tremendous growth and flourished with exceptional creativity, talent, and innovation. Music with various instruments, especially drums, was on the top. Lovely costumes, synchronized choreography, beautiful sets, and the natural acting was the strength of 50s. Madhumati, Dag, Chalti Ka Naam Gadi, Paying Guest were the few movies which gave melodious music of that time. Also, Hindi cinema was the major income source for many people at that time. Now, Guide will take Rahul and Nisha to the golden era of 50s, and both are excited for this journey.
कंवरियों का दिल मचले कंवरियों का दिल मचले जिंद मेरी
जब ऐसे चिकने चेहरे हो जब ऐसे चिकने चेहरे तो कैसे न नजर फिसले तो कैसे न नजर फिसले जिंद मेरी ये
Do you know that 1950s is considered the golden era of the Hindi film music because of the fantastic singers like Lata Mangeshkar, Mohammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar? They all were a huge hit. And who can forget the amazing jodi of Dilip Kumar and Vaijayanti Mala?
Yeah, that's true. Lata Mangeshkar and Mohammad Rafi are my favorite singers. Their songs are so melodious, so I can't wait to explore this.
तो फिर चलते हैं किसके लिए रुके हैं
Yes, this song from the movie Naya Daur was a quite a path-breaking movie in the history of Bollywood movies, and the song is still popular amongst the young generation. Now, I would like to call upon stage Johan Vila Variyar, Janvi Arun Kumar, Aryan Vikram, Amog Singh, Ananya Purohit, Jovita Gogai, Vihan and Vivan Ranje to perform on this retro moves era.
दिल तक देखो जी दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी ओ दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी दिल तक देखो दिल तक देखो दिल तक देखो जी दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी ओ दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी nika, maga naga naga, tika pika rika, ina mina rika tika de dai damanika, maga naga, tika pika rola rika, ram pam pot. दिल बेचूं है कोई लेने वाला, ऐसे वैसे को नहीं देने वाला। सूरत या हंसी हो, उम्र या जवां हो, कोई भी उसे देखे तो बस ये गुमा हो। यही है, यही तो है वो हीना मीना डिका, डाई डमनिका, मगा नगा नगा, चिका पिका रिका, हीना मीना रिका डिका डे डाई डमनिका, मगा नगा चिका पिका रोला रिका, राम पम पोच। मत सोचो कि सस्ता है सौदा, फल पाए लगाएगा जो पौधा। दिल की ये क्यारी बनेगी फुलवारी, ये दुनिया जलेगी जलन की हमारी। हंसेगी मेरी प्यारी।
Wonderful. I'm sure all parents are overwhelmed and impressed with this performance. '60s reveled in color, optimism, and flamboyance. It was a decade of unbounded hedonism, of live wire romance epitomized by Shammi Kapoor. Shootings were done in the beautiful locations of Kashmir and Shimla. The tradition of abroad shooting also started in this era. Dharmendra, Dev Anand, Manoj Kumar, Sanjeev Kumar, Shashi Kapoor, Sunil Dutt, Firoz Khan, Sanjay Khan, Rajendra Kumar were the leading heroes. Banu, Sadhana, Tanuja, Sharmila Tagore, Asha Parekh, Mumtaz, Mala Sinha were at the prime and adoring the big screens. The decade of 1960s delivered some of the evergreen Hindi films supported by soulful music and memorable acting. The dance sets were unparalleled for its time. The actors made the characters alive in the movie by their acting. Movies like बरसात की रात, जंगली, 20 साल बाद, वक्त, तीसरी मंजिल, उपकार, हमराज, लव इन टोक्यो, ब्रह्मचारी had extraordinary storylines, melodious music and realistic acting. Guide, a masterpiece movie by Dev Sahab, won many awards for its beautiful cinematography, lovely music and spellbinding storyline. One of the most famous music directors of this era was R.D. Burman, also known as the king of Bollywood music, who, along with Asha Bhosle, worked extensively on and scored approximately 335 films from the 60s to the 90s. Now, Nisha is waiting to tour this era of 60s to see the sets of the most popular movies of
जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा, तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया।
Audience, have you heard about the super hit movie Mughal-e-Azam? Can you guess which era is this? Yes, this is the 1960s.
Yes, it's my grandfather's favorite movie. He can watch it as many times as he likes. What's 1960s about?
The 1960s was ruled by the jungly Shammi Kapoor, and I assure you, it will be totally worth the wait.
Wow, that was a natural performance similar to Shammi Kapoor and the charming Sharmila Tagore's acting in the film Kashmir Ki Kali. I feel both Nisha and Rahul are levitating on the boat in Kashmir. Now, I would like to call upon stage Shlok Unune, Kavya Patil, Shashank Sahu, Trupti Rathod, Nidhi Nikam, and Kanak Puram Sethi to perform on this dramatical and musical era.
ये पर्दा हटा दो, जरा मुखड़ा दिखा दो, ये पर्दा हटा दो, जरा मुखड़ा दिखा दो, हम प्यार करने वाले हैं, कोई गैर नहीं। अरे हम तुम पे मरने वाले हैं, कोई गैर नहीं।
ओ मजनू के नाना मेरे पीछे न आना, जा प्यार करने वाले तेरी खैर नहीं। अरे ओ हम पे मरने वाले तेरी खैर नहीं।
ये पर्दा हटा दो, जरा मुखड़ा दिखा दो, हम प्यार करने वाले हैं, कोई गैर नहीं। अरे हम तुम पे मरने वाले हैं, कोई गैर नहीं। ये पर्दा हटा दो। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
तो क्या आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
हमने तो प्यार में ऐसा काम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया। हमने तो प्यार में ऐसा काम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया। प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया।
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर,
अच्छा,
सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
तो क्या आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
On a new generation kids to depict era of black and white 50s and 60s. But you can see how flawlessly they are performing the same with full energy. 70s. This era started with Babu Moshai, moving ahead with some drama. हम जहाँ खड़े होते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है, एंड अरे ओ सांबा कितने आदमी थे. A decade of masala movies, mixture of action, comedy, romance, drama and melodrama. This era was ruled by superstar Rajesh Khanna and angry young man Amitabh Bachchan. The whole concept of crime movies got popular through three main movies, Dawn, Sholay and Amar Akbar Anthony. Apart from being the pathfinders of crime movies in India, these three movies are still unmatched in respect of mix of drama, concept, action and crime scenes. We can say there were movie halls in 1970s outside which people plunged and fought for movie tickets. For college students, the class bunking were almost 10 times in 1970s than what it is today. The 1970s era of cinema is what we may see as a decade of real movie madness. I can see if grandparents are there, they must be remembering their, हमारे जवानी के दिन. The films like Daag, Aradhana, Anand, Aapki Kasam, Safar were some of the most beautiful performances given by Rajesh Khanna. Not to forget that every story needs a villain because without him, the hero can't shine. 70s was the era where villains played larger than life characters. Other quality films like Kala Patthar, Golmaal, Karwa, Blackmail, Chupke Chupke, Yadon Ki Baraat, Mili gave different types of stories with spectacular music. It was a decade of Hema Malini, Shashi Kapoor, Mumtaz, Dharmendra, Sharmila Tagore, Jitendra, Rekha, Vinod Mehra, Jaya Bachchan, Rakhi, Zinat Aman, and the newbies like Dimple Kapadia, Rishi Kapoor, Randhir Kapoor, Babita, and Neetu Singh. 70s was a bridge between the golden age and the modern age, the transition from a traditional era moving towards westernization. This was proved by the movies like Hare Rama Hare Krishna, Johnny Mera Naam, Bobby, and many more. Now, Guide will take Nisha and Rahul to explore the 70s era.
This era was dominated by Rajesh Khanna. He's considered the first superstar of the Indian cinema. Pushpa, I hate tears. Baba Moshai, Zindagi badi honi chahiye, lambi nahi. These are the iconic dialogues of Rajesh Khanna.
Sharmila Tagore, Mumtaz were some of the famous actresses of that era.
And we must really not forget the great actors who played the role of villains. They are the lifeline of the filmy stories, like Amjad Khan and Amrish Puri. So on.
That was a real dramatic performance. And that's true. Villains were the most prominent characters too. Remember Amjad Khan as Gabbar Singh and Mogambo as Amrish Puri. They made the story complete. Now I would like to call upon stage Smayan Kulkarni, Shriya Nerkar, Medhavi Chende, Shaurya Singh, Ansh Patil and Virva Gaikwad to perform on this Masala Magic era.
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया। मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया आज चलिया। हे जय जय शिव शंकर, कांटा लगे न कंकर, जय जय शिव शंकर, कांटा लगे न कंकर, के प्याला तेरे नाम का पिया। ही होता है जब दो दिल मिलते हैं, एक के दो, दो के चार मुझको तो दिखते हैं। ऐसा ही होता है जब दो दिल मिलते हैं। सर पे ज़मीं पाँव के नीचे है आसमां, सौरभ दी, सौरभ दी, सौरभ दी, सौरभ दे। जय जय शिव शंकर, कांटा लगे न कंकर, के प्याला तेरे नाम का पिया।
गिर जाऊंगी मैं, मर जाऊंगी, जो तूने मुझे थाम लिया, सौरभ दी।
Marvelous! What a beautiful performance! That was an extraordinary performance. Depicting from such a great actor is a tribute itself to him by the small children. A big round of applause, please. Cinema is among the most popular term in this world. It is the most preferred mode of entertainment in the human life. Be it children, teenagers, parents, or senior citizens, everyone has some personal connection with this contemporary cinema. In 1980s, the film were a mixture of romance and lots of action. This era also gave light-hearted comedy movies. Many new faces entered the film industry, who were modern in style and fashion. Amitabh Bachchan was a superstar by this time and gave fantastic performances in the movies like Silsila, Coolie, Sharabi, Dostana, Shakti, Shan, and many more. The storylines, however, followed the pattern set by the folk tales of Laila Majnun or Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. The audience knew much of the story beforehand, but came to see the fresh faces. The music acted as a savior in this phase of transition, where old was giving it to the new. Disco dancing, shining sparkling lights and clothes were were at peak that time. Guitar, this musical instrument, made a bang in this era. Musically, Lakshmikant Pyarelal, Anand Milind, Shiv Hari, Kalyanji Anandji, Bappi Lahiri gave songs with full of expressions and emotions as well as the party numbers. This era was ruled by gorgeous Sridevi with her dazzling and magnificent performances in films like Chandni, Mr. India, Chalbaz, Sadma, Nagina, followed by many other actresses like Rekha, Smita Patil, Amrita Singh, and newbies like Rati Agnihotri, Tina Munim, Minakshi Shashandri, Madhuri Dixit, Juhi Chawla, and many more. Not to forget our gang of heroes, Hamara Apna Lakhan in Mr. India, Ram Lakhan, Parinda, Tezab, and Nasiruddin Shah, Jackie Shroff, Mithun Chakraborty, Sunny Deol, Rishi Kapoor, and the entry of super cute Amir Khan and Salman Khan. Now, Guide will take Nisha and Rahul into this musical era.
प्यार दे दे प्यार दे प्यार दे प्यार दे दे हमें प्यार दे।
रिश्ते में हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहनशाह। Can you name the actor?
It's obvious. He's none other than superstar Amitabh Bachchan.
He has many famous movies like Sholay and Sharabi. He's also known as the angry young man.
1980s was also about Sridevi. Chandni, oh meri Chandni.
Why am I here? You yourself go and roam the city. मैं यहाँ पर क्यों हूँ?
Sorry, Mr. Guide. Now come on, let's see the 1980s.
This song by Disco King Bappi Lahiri sets this dance mood on. And the dance moves taken by Amitabh Bachchan were mind-blowing. To follow the same dance mood, I would like to call upon stage Swaransh Devre, Yashvardhan Dhanavde, Advan Bhagat, Reyansh Lokhande, Sharvil Bagul and Arpita Nigam to perform on this rocking era.
I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. Zindagi mera gaana. दीवाना। तो झूमो तो नाचो और मेरे साथ नाचो गाओ। I am a disco dancer, hey! I am a disco dancer. La 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 la. La 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 la. मेरी उम्र के नौजवानों, दिल न लगाना ओ दीवानों। ये मेरी उम्र के नौजवानों, दिल न लगाना ओ दीवानों। मैंने प्यार करके चैन खोया, नींद खोई। अरे झूठ तो कहते नहीं है, कहते नहीं है लोग कोई। हे प्यार से बढ़कर नहीं है, बढ़कर नहीं है रोग कोई। चलता नहीं है दिल दे के यारो इस दिल पे जोर कोई। चलता नहीं है दिल दे के यारो इस दिल पे जोर कोई। इस रोग का नहीं है इलाज दुनिया में और कोई। तो गाओ ओ शांति ओ शांति शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति शांति ओम।
Fantastic! That was a sparkling and shining performance. Love it or hate it, 90s Bollywood was a gold mine of and sweet nostalgia for a certain generation. In actual sense, it was an era where pop and gloss culture really started pouring into the masses. Doordarshan was the bestseller, and we flocked to that one family in the building that on a TV set for our weekly fixed shows like Ramayana and Mahabharata. Yes, we waited for weeks to catch movies of our favorite stars. In many cases, pre-booking by it, physically paying a visit to the theatre. Remember buying black tickets for our favorite movies? Yes, there were no cell phones and only landlines with their typical ringtones. Giving and receiving blank calls was a part of the teenage. I think some are going in the past to remember these things. This era witnessed larger than life hits like हम आपके हैं कौन, कुछ कुछ होता है, and evergreen दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. Along with musical romantic drama, Ashiki, Love, Pardes, Beta, and one of my favorite movie, Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar, and many more. The candy-colored Rangila Amir and the girl next door Urmila Matondkar were appreciated by many people. Thousands of die-hard Salman Khan and Madhuri Dixit fans emulated the wedding look of Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. The Khans, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, Saif Ali Khan, emerged as the romantic stars of the 90s. But the decade equally belonged to the action stars like the Khiladi Akshay Kumar, stuntman Ajay Devgan, manly Sanjay Dutt, and Sunil Shetty. Beauties like Karishma Kapoor, Madhuri Dixit, Raveena Tandon, Kajol, Rani Mukherjee, Preeti Zinta, and Shilpa Shetty commanded large followings. Not to forget, Govinda plus Karishma Kapoor plus David Dhawan is equal to Paisa Vasool entertainment with freestyle dance moves. Now, Nisha is eager to enter the era of 90s, and Rahul has already started daydreaming.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम, तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम.
Have you heard about the most talented actor of the 90s, Shah Rukh Khan? He's one of the prominent actors of this era and forms a blockbuster jodi with every actress like Madhuri Dixit, Kajol, Karishma Kapoor. 90s have a rocking history with Govinda, Amir Khan, Sanjay Dutt. 90s is full of masti and romantic songs.
I've been waiting for too long. It's already my favorite era. I can't wait the moment. I am going. You two come after.
Let's go!
This is one of my favorite movie. In fact, this era must be close to many hearts of the people sitting here, isn't it? So, let's all welcome to Rahul's favorite era, the 90s. Now, I would like to call upon stage Sarthak Khedekar, Zunera Sheikh, Arya Singh, Tanishka Goswami, Kritvik Bhakt, and Shraddha Vagsore to perform on this romantic era.
कोई हीरो यहाँ, कोई जीरो यहाँ, कोई स्टार है, कोई बेकार है. कोई हीरो यहाँ, कोई जीरो यहाँ, कोई स्टार है, कोई बेकार है. मैं कौन हूँ तुमसे मैं क्या कहूँ, है सच तो ये दोस्तों. I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best. I'm the best, I'm the best. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Say it again.
घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम. घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम. धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम.
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम.
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम.
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है,
धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम.
अरे कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम.
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम. छक धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम.
Thank you, children. It was a spectacular performance. As we move on to another decade of films, Indian cinema grew tremendously, not just in number of films it produced, but also the quality of storytelling of the films. With growing commercialization, A lot more thought was put behind production design, costume, casting, and script. As the millennium began, Lagan, starring Amir Khan, led the set the path for the films that were loved by the audience as well as the critics. This decade witnessed all categories of moving like action, comedy, romance, fashion, musical, suspense, thriller, friendship, real life inspiration, science, fiction, fantasy, historical, and many more. Shah Rukh Khan fully leaned into his nickname King Khan, dominating the box office. Hrithik Roshan started his career, continued his ride as Indians' heartthrob. They shared their limelight with upcoming actors like Abhishek Bachchan, Shahid Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra, Aishwarya Rai, and so on. How can we forget gorgeous Rani Mukherjee's work in Black and the Kareena Kapoor as Geet in Jab We Met? The complete entertainment series Golmaal, Houseful, Dhoom, and Munna Bhai started and the sequels are still coming. Along with such talented actors and actresses, we should not forget our villains and comedians who are necessary in any story to make it complete. I will not be able to take names of each and everyone here, but our salute to them for their exceptional work. Now, Nisha and Rahul are ready to move in our latest era.
तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया, बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया। तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया, बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया।
Now, this is the era of the recent times, the 2000s. The 2000s is packed with all the masala, action, romance, and patriotism. Now that's my era. Let's go and celebrate.
I'm sure Nisha and Rahul are overwhelmed with this journey and will have many treasure moments with them for the lifetime. I would like to call upon stage Advait Nikam, Gunveet Sahu, Ajinkya Bokade, Viharsh More, Alice Varia, Byron Brutus, Hemal Patil, and Prince Mohite to perform on this new wave era.
इस रात का है अपना मजा, आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा। ओ इस रात का है अपना मजा, आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा। बैठा है क्या सीटी बजा, लुंगी पकड़ के जरा घूम जा।
ये डांस तेरा देख देख झटके लगे तेज तेज दिल सबका धक धक करे।
रंट लगा रे, मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे। रंट लगा रे, मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे। तुमका मेरा एक्सीलेंट लगा रे, मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे। ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਾ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਯਾਦ ਚ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਾ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਓ ਹੋ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੜਪਾਵੇ
Fantastic, superb. That was an electrifying performance. While it is difficult to summarize every aspect of Bollywood today, but we all know that Indian cinema has been the source of information, communication, entertainment, and education. Through films, we witness stories that resonate with our own experiences, making us feel connected and understood. Just like that, the evolution of Indian cinema continues to grow rapidly along with the advent and popularization of streaming and OTT platform. But as we live through one of the biggest changes in all of the humanity, it is a great reminder of the importance of films that occupy in our lives. Movies, no matter the year they have released or the year they are watched, continue to be our safe haven and entertaining escape in the bad times as well as the good times. As stated by Shah Rukh Khan, हमारी फिल्मों की तरह हमारी ज़िंदगी में भी एंड तक सब कुछ ठीक हो जाता है, हैप्पीज एंडिंग्स, और अगर वो ठीक ना हो तो वो दी एंड नहीं, क्योंकि पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. It's time for the grand finale. For this performance, I would like to call upon all the stars of Bollywood. Welcome them with a big round of applause. Kanak, Trupti, Kavya, Shlok, Shashank, Shriya, Arya and Tanishka.
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी. देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी. दिल भर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं, आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं. अगलो होश नमी दानम, हम है दिल है और जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है. ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर, ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर, बस दीवानगी 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 है. All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti Om. All the cool boys come on, make some noise and say Om Shanti Om.
Slow it
ओ
down.
एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी.
एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी.
ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी.
लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी.
ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा,
year that is about to begin and a new one that is about to start. As your child begins to explore their world, they try to learn about many new things. In Young Scholars Preschool, we help them to discover learning by easy methods such as fun learning activities in each month, starting from celebration of Red Day, Yellow Day, Yoga Day, Independence Day, followed by introduction to all the seasons. We also give importance to relations by celebrating Grandparents' Day with Ganpati celebration, Friendship Day followed by traditional celebrations like Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Dashera, Navratri, Diwali, Christmas, Eid, and many more. So now it's time to share with you all the wonderful memories of the entire year. Meanwhile, our children are changing the clothes and will be dispersed.
the field down. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag. Oh, 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 give you freedom, give you fire, give you reason, take you higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now 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 wave your flag, wave your flag. Oh, 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 we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now 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 wave your flag, wave your flag. Oh, 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 oh. And everybody will be singing, yeah. And we all will be singing, yeah. DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say Bravo a champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Gayle is a champion. Beanie a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bungie is a champion, Pollard is a champion, Lara is a champion, Gayle is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly and a champion, 958 both a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say Bravo a champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Gayle is a champion. Come on, come on. Champion, me a real champion. Champion, me a real champion. Champion, me a real champion. Don't vex if your name not call. We have to leave them for bad some ball. We love soccer and dancehall. We love cricket and football. From a dancing and my name I call. Champion, champion.
After the dispersal, felicitation will be done. Okay. Start with the playgroup students. Advait Nikam. Advait Nikam. Please come on the stage with your parents. Advait. Meanwhile, Gunvit's parents, be ready. Gunveet Sahu. Gunveet, why are you crying? Medhavi Chende, please be ready. Please come from my side. After Medhavi, Prince, be ready. Medhavi Chende. After Medhavi, Prince, be ready. After Prince, Sharvil, be ready. Prince Mohite. Sharvil, be ready now. Sharvil. After Sharvil, Shaurya, be ready. And after Shaurya, Swaransh. Parents, please clap. After Swaransh, nursery parents, be ready. Shaurya, Shaurya Singh.
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo.
Congratulations, Shaurya. After Swaransh, nursery parents, be ready. Ajinkya, followed by Amog. Ajinkya, where are you? Ajinkya is a student who is ever ready for everything. Please welcome Ajinkya Bokade. Congratulations, Ajinkya. Amog, be ready now. After Amog, Aryan. After Aryan, Ananya and Avishka. Congratulations, Amog. Congratulations, Aryan. After Aryan, Avishka. After Avishka, Jovita, be ready. Sorry, Ananya. After Avishka, Ananya. After Ananya, Jovita, be ready. Jovita. After Jovita, Janvi. Johan, be ready after Jovita. Congratulations, Jovita. After Johan, Vihan and Vivan, be ready. Vihan, Vivan. Vihan, Vivan, ha. After Vivan, Vihan, Vivan, Adya, be ready. Congratulations. After Adya, Abhidnya, be ready. Adya Darvi. Abhidnya, tham. After Abhidnya, Alice, be ready. Alice. After Alice, Ansh, be ready. Ansh. After Ansh, Akshita, be ready. Akshita. After Akshita, Arpita, be ready. After Arpita, Byron, be ready. After Byron, Ojas. Congratulations, Byron. Hello. After Ojas, Riyansh, be ready. Congratulations, Ojas. Ojas, go from that side. Ojas, go from that side. After Ojas, Riyansh. After Riyansh, Sanaya, be ready. Congratulations, Riyansh. One more trophy for Riyansh's parents. Please wait. They were the winners of the sports day event. Congratulations. After Sanaya, Smayan, be ready. After Smayan, Yashvardhan, be ready. Viharsh, be ready. Viharsh and Shriyan, be ready. Congratulations. Viharsh, parents, please don't leave. Viharsh. After Viharsh, Shriyan. Junior KG parents, be ready now. Parents, I request you not to leave the auditorium. We have to sing national anthem and then we will leave. Shriyan. Junior KG parents, please be ready now. Advan and later after that Arya.
हमारी बारी कब है?
Shriya, Tanishka, wait. I will call you. You have to come with your mama and papa. Okay? Go. Advan. After Advan, Hemal, be ready. After Hemal, Kritvik, be ready. After Kritvik, Nidhi, be ready. Kritvik. After Kritvik, Nidhi, be ready. And after that, Shraddha. Shriya, where are you going? Shriya, Tanishka, come here. Nidhi, please come. After Nidhi, Shraddha, be ready. After Shraddha, Shriya, be ready. Shriya, be ready with your parents. Shraddha. Nobody will come on the stage now. After Shraddha, Shriya, be ready. After Shraddha, Sarthak, be ready. Sarthak. After Sarthak, Tanishka, be ready. Sarthak. Tanishka, be ready now. After Tanishka, Virva, be ready. Virva and then Zunera. Virva. Shriya, you have to be with Mama now. After Virva, Zunera, be ready. After Zunera, senior KG parents, please be ready. कनक, काव्या, शशांक, श्लोक, तृप्ति, सब रेडी हो जाओ. सब लोगों को इकट्ठा बुला लो क्या? सब लोगों को, सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स को? सीनियर केजी Kanak, please come. Congratulations, Kanak. Our senior KG batch will be moving towards first grade now. We are going to miss them all. Please, a big round of applause for them. Kavya. After Kavya, Trupti, and then Shlok and Shashank. Congratulations, Kavya. Trupti. Shlok, and then Shashank. Congratulations. Please, parents, clap. We are going to miss our students now. They'll be going to first grade now. Come. First Shlok and then Shashank. Congratulations, Shlok. Come, Shashank. Congratulations. A big round of applause from them. टीचर के प्यारे होनहार बच्चे. It's time to felicitate our junior anchors and volunteers, our small helping hands who participated to make this event successful. Suhani Vyas, Alaina Rao, Spruha Joshi, and Swara Joshi. I would like to mention that Spruha and Alaina are the students of Young Scholars. They have so attachment. They are still like to come to school and enjoy all the events in the school. And Swara Joshi came specially from Pune to celebrate our annual day. It's time to felicitate our energetic choreographer, Miss Surbhi Tripathi, for the time and efforts extended towards our children and making this event successful. Please welcome Miss Surbhi Tripathi. A big round of applause. It was not an easy task for us. Last but not the least, it's time to felicitate our lovely teachers for their hard work, patience and love towards their children throughout the year. I would like to thank all Didis for their unconditional love and care towards children. Thank you so much for everything. Playgroup teachers, Aditi teacher and Shraddha teacher and Harshala Didi. Oh, sorry, I took my name. Nursery teachers Piyali, Anjali and Rita Didi. Junior and senior teacher Kumud and Sunita with Manisha Didi. Reyan's parents, please come on the stage for Sports Day trophy.
Last but not the least.
Please welcome Reyan's parents for their enthusiastic performance on Sports Day and winning for the same. Congratulations.
Yes, parents, I would like to express my gratitude not only to my staff and choreographer, but also to the students who have eagerly worked hard to make this event successful. And this shows that our scholars are not only good at academics, but also in extracurricular activities. So give them a big round of applause, please. Last but not the least, a big thanks to all of you parents for supporting us throughout the year. Thank you so much. Parents, there is an announcement. We are going to have a summer camp from 4th of April. And now please stand for the national anthem. And I want all my staff to be on stage, teachers, didis and all. And please stand, parents, for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण